Today we will be testing a pivot point indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a pivot point indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 309 different strategies, with 98 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 203 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,014 indicators, with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a pivot point indicator. The source video says how to get more money trading, only free trading indicator you need. And so we're going to put this indicator to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, in this particular case, the source video did use just one indicator. And so rarely enough, like I said, most often the source videos will claim that there's just a specific indicator that is able to achieve something great, but then often put multiple indicators together to develop a whole system. And so since this is just a single indicator, we are going to put this one on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet, again because it is just a single indicator. And so the indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Donchian channel / pivot high / low, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then jump into the settings, and the DC length right here, you're going to change to 45. Then jump into the styles. You're going to turn off the HL, the LH, the top, the bottom, the high, and the low zone. And then click OK. And the indicator should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we are looking for when price starts to trade above the blue middle line here. And when price starts to trade above that blue middle line, we are looking for it to give us an HH sign or signal like this right here. And when we get that HH signal right there, we are then going to wait for price to break and close above the candle that HH was established. And so this is the first HH that was established right here. And you can see that if we zoom in really tight here, that the close of that candle was right about where I have this dashed line. And you can see that price comes up right here on this big green candle here and closes above that candle right there. And so that would be our entry into a long, and we would set our trade. Let's back that up just a hair. We're going to set the long trade right here. We're going to set our stop at the blue midline. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So right there. Okay, let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And then you see price just kind of bounces along here, kind of in consolidation, then makes this spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, again, what we're looking for is price to be trading below the blue midline like it is now. You can see price comes up, trades above it for just a moment, which invalidates anything before that. Then it comes back down, crossing below that midline, then trading below it right here. And then we get this LL tag right here, and that actually appears on this candle right here. And so the LL tags are a little bit delayed because it is creating high-low pivot points. And so on the close of this candle right here, it established this LL right here. We're looking for the HH for the longs. We're looking for the LL, the lower lows, for the shorts. And so once we get the break of the close of this candle right here, as we do here on this candle, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. And put our trade right there, put our stop right at the blue midline, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one plays out a little bit quicker as it just steadily works its way down, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 46% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800, risking $400 per losing trade, and your total gain would have been $3,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy, definitely not great, not a huge amount of profits, but not bad. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 43 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. Now, this strategy here is a trend following strategy or a trend trading strategy, and the Academy of Forex indicator is a reversal strategy. And so, like I often say, you can combine the two together to get the best of both worlds, reversals and trend, and really maximize your profits. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, which is just $19, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. This is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether with 6 winning trades and 1 losing trade, putting it at an 85% win rate. Would have been a gain of $2,740. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 losing trade. That's going to be a drawdown of $860. For the week, we would have been up $1,880. And at the 34-week total, now we would have been up $46,490 over 268 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, the growth of the equity there. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.